So, regardless of what you're drawing, I'm drawing my hand. It's pretty simple. Easy process of just looking at the hand that you're not drawing with and trying to make the darks and the lights and the shapes come out. I'm using my fingers for the ground to kind of take away the charcoal lines that I don't want. And now I'm going to come in. This is my kneaded eraser, which I really like using with pastel and charcoal. And for the kneaded eraser, you have to twist it and pull it apart to kind of give it a clean surface to erase with. So, looking at my hands, I'm going to start bringing out some of the lighter areas. And so the great thing about subtractive drawing is you get to actually draw with an eraser for a big part of it, which I really like because you are doing both looking, adding the darks, and looking to take away some of the brown that you have to create the light areas.
English, yeah, we got this way too early.